Hey everyone, it's Miss Kelly from the Mifflin County Library. I'm here today for another craft from your snowman bag. I hope you're having fun making your crafts. Today we're going to make a cute little tree, Christmas tree. So you're gonna need some crayons and your glue stick. And then go ahead and find your envelope that says tree inside your bag. Open it up. Oh, and you also need, I forgot, it's not in your envelope, it's in the bag. You need your little triangle that's on a string. So we're going to open up the tree envelope and see all the good fun things that are inside. Let's see. Dump it out here. All sorts of fun decorations to decorate your tree. Some glittery stars. I've got a circle and a heart. Oh, and I have a fun star that I think I'll use for the top of my tree. And a brown piece of paper for the trunk. But the first thing I'm gonna do is find a crayon. And I'm gonna color my Christmas tree. Oh, I think I'm gonna make my tree pink. I have a pink tree at my house. What color is your Christmas tree? Christmas trees don't always have to be green. I have seen white Christmas trees. I've pink ones. I've seen pink. I've even seen black Christmas trees. No matter what color your tree is, I am sure it is beautiful. So I've got my tree almost colored all the way in. Pink's a little hard to see. I think maybe I should add a few darker spots. I'm gonna find a red crayon too and just add a few stripes of red to make it just a little bit brighter to stand out. All right, there's my tree all colored. And now I'm gonna take my glue stick, open it up, and I'm going to put a little bit of glue on the trunk of my tree, and I'm going to glue the trunk on the back side of the popsicle stick. I'll glue it on the front too if you like, it doesn't matter. Then I'm just going to take my glue stick and add some dots of glue all over the tree to add my decorations. So I've got a sparkly star I'm going to put there. I think I'll put my circle there. You might have different shapes in your bag, so you might want to do some different decorations on your tree. And I'm going to put this big fancy star at the very top of my tree. Put a little star over here where I did a glue dot. And another star over here. I'm going to do one more dot right there for that heart. You can use all of your decorations on your tree, or maybe you have another craft that you'd like to do and use the rest of your things. But I hope you have fun making your Christmas tree, and you can take it and hang it on your very own Christmas tree at home. Hope you have a wonderful time. Bye everyone.